Hey guys, welcome to Right Choice, the channel where you get the best insights to make informed decisions about health, wellness, and lifestyle. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been making headlines: Ozempic. You've probably heard about it from celebrities, influencers, or even on social media. But is it really a miracle weight loss solution, or is there more to it? Let's break down everything you need to know before considering Ozempic. What is Ozempic and why was it created? Ozempic, with the active ingredient semaglutide, was originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes. It belongs to a class of drugs known as GLP-1 receptor agonists, which help regulate blood sugar levels. It works by stimulating the pancreas to produce insulin when blood sugar levels rise, helping to keep glucose under control. But researchers soon discovered something else. Ozempic also leads to significant weight loss. That's because it slows down digestion and makes you feel full for longer. It also acts on the brain to reduce appetite, causing people to naturally eat less. Once this became widely known, Ozempic's popularity skyrocketed, with many people using it primarily for weight loss rather than diabetes management. Does Ozempic really help with weight loss? Yes, and scientific studies back this up. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that obese patients using semaglutide lost an average of 15% to 17% of their body weight over a year, compared to just 2.5% in the placebo group. Some people report even more dramatic results. There are cases of individuals who avoided bariatric surgery thanks to Ozempic and lifestyle changes. However, results vary from person to person. But here's the real question: is Ozempic a long-term solution for weight loss? The answer isn't that simple. Side effects: what nobody tells you about Ozempic. Like any medication, Ozempic comes with side effects, ranging from mild to severe. The most common ones include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, bloating, and gas fatigue, dizziness. Most of these symptoms occur early in treatment and tend to subside over time. However, there are lesser-known side effects, such as fat loss in the face, known as Ozempic face. Some people notice their face looks thinner and older due to rapid weight loss. There are also concerns about a potential increased risk of thyroid problems. Animal studies have linked long-term semaglutide use to thyroid tumors, but this has not yet been confirmed in humans. Another key issue is weight regain after stopping Ozempic. Many users regain some or even all of the weight they lost because hunger returns to normal. Without sustainable lifestyle changes, weight gain is almost inevitable. Is Ozempic for everyone? Definitely not. Ozempic is FDA approved mainly for type 2 diabetes and in some cases for obesity. However, it is not recommended for people with type 1 diabetes, pregnant or breastfeeding women, those with a history of severe pancreas issues, individuals with a family history of medullary thyroid cancer, people with severe kidney disease. Because of this, Ozempic should only be used under medical supervision. Buying and using this medication without proper guidance can be risky. The cost of Ozempic and its impact on the market. Another big issue is the price. In the U.S., Ozempic costs around $900 per pen, making it inaccessible for many. Since it requires refrigeration, distribution, and storage costs add to the price. The high demand has also led to supply shortages, affecting diabetic patients who rely on it to control their blood sugar. An alternative being researched is oral semaglutide, sold as Rybelsus. However, it must be taken daily, whereas Ozempic is only injected once a week. What happens if you stop taking Ozempic? This is a common concern. As mentioned earlier, many users regain weight after stopping the medication. That's because Ozempic doesn't teach healthy habits. It only reduces appetite and improves glucose control while in use. If a person doesn't change their diet and lifestyle, they are likely to return to old eating patterns once they stop Ozempic, leading to what's known as the rebound effect. On the other hand, Those who use Ozempic as a tool to build better habits, eating healthier, exercising, and improving overall well-being, have a much better chance of maintaining weight loss even after stopping the medication. Is Ozempic worth it? Ozempic is an effective tool for weight loss and type 2 diabetes management, but it's not a magic solution. It can be helpful for people struggling with weight loss, but it should always be used under medical supervision and combined with lifestyle changes. If you're considering Ozempic just to lose a few pounds quickly, it might not be the best option. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sustainable changes remain the best long-term strategy for maintaining a healthy weight. What do you think? Have you used Ozempic or know someone who has? Leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. And don't forget, subscribe to Right Choice for more valuable insights and expert guidance on health and wellness.